Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make drawings using the grid method. This powerful technique simplifies complex images, allowing you to accurately reproduce them on your drawing surface. By dividing both your reference and drawing paper into a grid, you can focus on smaller, more manageable sections. This approach significantly enhances your ability to achieve correct proportions and precise details, making the drawing process less daunting and more enjoyable for artists of all skill levels. To begin, select your reference image and carefully draw a grid directly onto it using a ruler and a pencil. Ensure your lines are evenly spaced, perhaps creating 1-inch squares for easier management. Next, replicate this identical grid onto your drawing paper. Accuracy here is crucial, so double-check that the number of squares and their dimensions perfectly match your reference. This foundational step sets the stage for a successful transfer. Now, the exciting part, transferring your image. Work systematically, focusing on one grid square at a time. Carefully observe the lines, curves, and shapes within a single square on your reference, and then draw only what you see in the corresponding square on your drawing paper. Gradually connect these individual square drawings, building up the complete image piece by piece. This methodical approach ensures accuracy and detail. After you have transferred the entire outline, gently erase all the grid lines from your drawing paper. Now, it is time to refine your artwork. Add intricate details, apply shading to create depth, and make any final adjustments to proportions or forms. Remember, the grid method is a tool. Your artistic touch brings the drawing to life. Consistent practice will significantly improve your results over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.